Parsvottanasana to reverse, or parsvottanasana, vinyasa. Oh, that's a lot of words. Basically, this is our pyramid pose to a reverse pyramid pose, and then back and up as a flow with the breath. This is a strong variation, and so we are not bending through the spine. Again, not because it's a bad thing, but simply because the goal is to become extremely strong in our core and our spinal musculature and our abdominal musculature in this variation, rather than forcing ourselves into maximum flexibility. For this pose, variation, we'll step to the top of the mat. Let's do the left side today. And I want you to step the right foot back. Just a couple of feet back would be fine, not a especially long stance. Put a micro bend in the front knee, hands to heart center, lift through the heart, draw the shoulder blades back, tuck the chin. If you want more proper explanation on the alignment, please see my basic parsvottanasana explanation. From here, you'll take a breath. I'll explain it once, and then we'll do the movement together. You'll breathe in to start. You'll exhale for 3 seconds to go down. Then you'll twist to the left for 3 seconds on an inhale. You'll exhale to face downward, and then inhale back up. And that's the full cycle. Now let's do it together. Take a breath in to begin. Exhale for 3 seconds as you hinge forward, and you just go until you feel a stretch on the back of the left leg. And then you inhale to turn your chest to the left without turning your right hip forward. And then exhale, face your chest back down towards the floor. And then inhale back up to neutral. Let's do it again. Exhale for 3, 2, 1 as you hinge forward and feel that stretch in the back leg. Then inhale, just turn the chest to the left for 3 seconds without turning the right hip forward. Exhale, turn the chest back down towards the floor. That's 3 seconds. And then inhale back up. Okay, now this time just the count without the cueing. So pause before we begin this. Okay, let's each take a breath together on an inhale. Let's go. Exhale, hinge, 3, 2, 1. Turn the chest to the left, 3, 2, 1. Chest back down, 2, 1, and then lift up to neutral, 2, 1. Step the foot forward, and of course, please repeat on the other side. So this is our pyramid to reverse pyramid, and then backing up, a flow with a neutral spine for spinal and abdominal core strength.